HOGSIDE San TV coming at you again. So I'm working on the 69 today. You know, the 396 big block. You know, I'm gonna be putting this igniter in there. You know, because they recommended it to me on YouTube, a couple guys. So we're gonna get to this today. Hopefully it's gonna be easy. I mean, it looked pretty easy. It's only a couple wires. But yeah, so I'll get back to you guys in a minute. I gotta get this all apart. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be taking the rotor off right here. We all know it's just a regular screw, you know, flat. Not like the new ones. They got the, you know, a P2 bit on it. You know what a P2 is? It's the star bit, or you know, the regular Phillips head screw. But on all the cars, they got, you know, the flat tops, or you know what I mean, flat heads. So we'll pull that off. You know, I know it goes this way, no big deal to me. You know, so what we're gonna be doing is taking this off right here. These points, you know, it sucks. These fucking points suck. Adjusting all that all the time. You know. So remember, always disconnect your battery too. Look, it's disconnected, you guys. Always do that first, you know, just so you don't blow out your coil right there, because you're gonna be using that same coil. So like I said, you know, take these points out here. Condenser, you know, this one's that, you know, the one with the two together, points and condenser set. You know, hopefully, like I said, hopefully I can drop one of these inside the fucking motor, so then you guys can, you know, laugh at me and everything. So, you know, like I said, we're gonna try to do this. I'm trying to do this with you guys on here. So fucking guy. The fuck that is. So I'll get back to you guys in a minute. I'm gonna take this apart. You guys don't need to see me taking screws out, so hold on. Okay, so I got the points and condenser out. These are the newer style. You guys know what the other ones look like. They have that wire with them and all that. But yeah, I'm changing this out to those the Petronix. So I'm gonna have to take this stuff apart. I'm not gonna show you guys, you know, exactly what I'm doing, but because I can't. Because I need two hands. I'm gonna take this. I believe this is the positive wire right here. So I'll take that out and run that on through. I'm gonna have to cut one so I can pull it out through. Then I'm gonna have to run the other wire. So I'll, you know, like I said, I'm gonna try to get back to you guys. So hold on. So another thing, you guys, after you're done taking it apart and everything, this wire, I'm gonna have to cut this wire right here so I can unslide it out of here, because this is the same wire here that goes under. And there's a little grommet that they supply with the igniter and everything. So I'm gonna wipe this up. You guys will need to see me wipe it up, so hold on. So this is the wire I was telling you guys that I just clipped right now and pulled it out. So now we're gonna get to this igniter here. So give me a minute and I'll get right back with you again. So these are the parts that they supply to you. This is the Petronix right here. This is the igniter right here. This is going to go in place of those points where they were. This is the ring right here that goes, you slide it over the top. I'll show you that right now, because like I said, I'm not going to be able to show you guys while I'm doing it. I need two hands. But this, all you're going to do is come around the top here and come back up through, you know, where these two things are here. Let me show you. So come back up through there, and what you're going to do is you're going to bolt the cap back on there, on top of this here, and bolt it down, you know. And this is where, you know, the pickup is and everything to that coil, the igniter, which is right there. So I'll try to get back to you if I can. Hold on. So I've been trying to get that grommet out from under the distributor, like I was telling you, you know, that's right under this. So I'm gonna try this right now with this little hooker, because, you know, you can't fit shit back in here. You can obviously see that. Let's see where that stupid grommet at. Damn, that thing's hella down and back in there. So, let's see if we can get that. Hold on, you guys. So some pretty funny shit right now just happened. I was trying to pull that out and it actually went into the distributor, so now I gotta fish it out. I gotta go fishing. So this is that little grommet, distributor grommet. So like I said, they give you a new one with the igniter. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fish these wires down and through here, and bring them out through the bottom. So pull them on through there. So I'm just gonna sit right there, like I said. So you guys see that when let's see if we can get that in there for you, so you guys can see. So that's pretty much how that's gonna go. You just bolt it back in place where the points were, right there. And then, like I said, you put that ring right under it, which is gonna make contact with, or not make contact, but be floating right above here when it spins on the distributor, which will send you the spark, the continuous spark, like a HEI. So give me a sec. Okay, you guys, so I got everything in right now. I just got to put that cap back on and, wire it up to the coil right there. So I'll get back to you. Okay, so this is what you do with the cap. You're gonna have to just put it over with where that ring was, right there, which it'll pull it back up. Everything, you're mounting it back like the old school stuff. So let me show you in a minute. So I'm still here. I was just talking with my neighbor. The neighbor. He just sold his Belvedere, so he's gonna be bringing home something new from Meekum. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute. So hold on. Okay, so neighbor's leaving. Yep. So all I got left, you guys, is just to do these wires now. I'm gonna crimp them on real quick, and then one's gonna go on the negative, one's positive there. So. I think you guys pretty much know. I'll do a video for you guys after I start it. So another thing, when you're installing this right here, make sure the ring is not touching the igniter. There it says in the instructions. If it is touching, lightly bend it down with a pair of pliers. Me personally, I just use my fingers so I don't crack it. So that's what I recommend. So I'll get back to you. So you guys, I'm pretty much done here. Wired positive, negative. That's all it takes. I'm going to tape those up, and then I'm going to start it, see what happens. So hold on. Okay, you guys, so I'm done. It's all wired up and everything. You can see that it's wired up. I'm just going to try it out right now. Hopefully it's, it makes the car run better. So give me a minute here. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to try and start the car right now. Like I said, see how it goes. Good on this, you guys. So I guess I recommend it, you guys. Petronix. So I just got to set the time, and I'm going to do that tomorrow. So that's all, you guys. Talk to you later. HOGSIDE Sound TV. Trying new stuff with the 69 with the Petronix electronic ignition. Later, guys.